back to another amazing episode here on Mo's World. Today I'm actually at the fish market here and I was gonna try a new recipe of making fish. So I wanted to take you guys along with me and show you guys how I did it today. And many of you said you guys loved the video last time, so might as well throw you guys another one. The line is absolutely long. There's like 25 people ahead of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys when I get inside. So guys, we're finally inside and we're gonna be getting a few fish. So I'm gonna show you guys what they have here. So guys, the fish I chose is right here. I'm gonna take a few home. These are porkies, so we're gonna be cooking these today. So everybody, we're finally back home, and now I'm gonna show you guys how I clean the fish and how we're gonna cook the fish. Let's get going. So for this type of fish, which is a porkies, we're actually gonna take the skin off of the fish first. So we're gonna take all of that skin by going backwards of the fish. So as you guys can see, there should be no scales at all, and all of this is just scales on the side of the board, so it should be clean. So the next step, we're going to be cutting the fins off from the bottom, the sides, and top. Make sure you wet your hands while cutting fish. So now we're going to be filleting the fish, and you want to start off by cutting it at the head. You're going to get a nice big chunk. When you come from this side, guys, it helps to just skip over the stomach and you don't have to deal with any of that. There we go, guys. Look at that delicious piece. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. So this is the second fish, guys, and we just unscaled the whole fish, and we're going to fillet this fish as well. So we have two fishes, and we're gonna have two recipes for you guys today. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean all the fillets off with fresh water. So guys, we have finally cleaned the fish, and as you guys can see, we have 4 fillet pieces. I'm gonna be trying 2 different recipes. So one recipe is gonna be going in here, and one gonna be going in here. So I have never tried these before, but these were some of the comments I got from people to try. So I'm gonna be trying it today. So this is the first piece that I'm gonna try, and we're gonna be putting this into the Pyrex. Move this here. The second piece of fish right here, guys. So 2 piece, and this recipe is really simple. People just told me to try it with mayonnaise, so I'm just gonna throw a couple of spoons of mayonnaise in here just to try that. I don't know how much mayonnaise to use. They just said try it with mayonnaise, so I'm just gonna, that's 4 spoons or 5 spoons, I think. So I'm just gonna be trying that, and now we just mix it. So it's just dipped in mayo now, and it looks perfect. This is what I wanted. So we're just gonna bake this. I already preheated the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, so I'm gonna throw this in there, and we're gonna be baking this for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna see how it is, and I might flip it after 15 minutes, but this is all depending on time. So I just went ahead and washed my hands, and my oven's already preheating at 350 degrees for 10 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead, put this inside, and keep an eye on this and see how it is. If it's fully cooked already, I mean, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna take it out, but I am gonna, eyeball this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. So for the next recipe, we have 2 more fillets left. I'm gonna take a pan. I'm gonna take some foil paper for this. And wrap it up. So we're going to be taking aluminum foil and we're going to be wrapping it around the tray first. And then next, we're going to take the 2 fillet pieces. And we're literally going to lay it out like this. And what we're going to do next is take some all-purpose seasoning Goya. We're just going to sprinkle some on there. There we go, guys. This is perfect. So we're gonna take some salt next and just a little bit because the seasoning already has a little salt, so I'm just adding a little bit. So that's good. We're gonna take some lemon juice. Just pour it over, guys. And I am eyeballing all of this. I don't know the exact recipe, so you guys can just, I guess, eyeball it like me. So that's like almost 2.5. That's a half right there. Another one. And there we go. So that's 2.5 caps of lemon juice. Next, we're gonna take, this is unsalted butter. We're just gonna take this. I'm gonna cut 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is another tablespoon of butter. So just 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna unwrap it. Just leave it right on top, guys. Boom. Just like that. And next step, if you guys have any vegetables like onions, bell peppers, maybe carrots, anything you like, you can throw on there. So personally, I love onions, so I'm gonna put some onions on top and just a hint of bell peppers. So I like the smell and the flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So guys, I'm crying a little just because I was cutting the onions, you know, it's all good. But, so as you guys can see, we have bell peppers and we have red onions. So what I like to do is just, you know, lay the onions out. And boom, this makes the flavor like so good. So there, you can just lay it on top. And you can put a bell pepper or 2. And just the flavor you get from this is just gonna be amazing for you. So this is the final look. And now it's gonna go in the oven. It has been 10 minutes, guys. This one doesn't look like anything happened to it, so I'm gonna leave it and give it more time for this. But this recipe, I can already start smelling the bell peppers and the onions, and the butter has melted into the fish, so I'm gonna give 5 more minutes for this fish. So it has been 10 minutes already, so I'm adding 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna eyeball this one, and I'm gonna let you guys know how long this takes. So now it has been 15 minutes, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead. That looks good enough to turn around to the other side, and it's gonna look good. This, I'm gonna give it more time. It has been 30 minutes, guys, and we're just flipping around the fish, and it's smelling amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Whoever told me this recipe, thank you so much. It's smelling so good. So we have finally finished baking it, so this is how they look. So we baked both for 35 minutes, and we flipped this one at 20 minutes, and we flipped this at 20 minutes also. So this is how they look after 30 minutes. So guys, we have some brown rice and beans with some onions, bell peppers, and fish we made, which all goes well together and a healthy lunch right there. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you guys like the recipe, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and share this video. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we possibly can, so go ahead, share the video, tell your family, friends, all to subscribe, and until next time, peace.